words count in a string. So let us take an example here. Here I have created a string which contains this is as good as Java and this is for test. This is the string we have created. So we need to get each word count, repeated, how many times it's repeating. So we are going to get that count from that string. So here I have used the split function to split each word by space. Here I am using the space within the quotes. You can see that split function. I have given the space. So the space is the separator here. So I am going to get each word from that list. And also to get the count, I am converting this string 2 as a list, because if you use split function, it will get each word as an array. So after that, in list 2, I am converting that string to as list. Now list 3, I have created a new one. I am going to use the repeated word within that list. If it repeats, by using this not equal or not contains method, I am going to avoid. Here I have used the for loop, for each loop, and I am going to get each words from that particular list too, and by using this if not contains method, I am going to avoid. If it contains already in that list 3, it will avoid. And also I am printing the same one by using this collection.frequency framework. Collection is a framework, and the frequency method will get each word count and it will print. List 3 it will add once that counted word will be added in this particular list 3. So in this method we are going to get the count of each word. So here I have used that program to run. If I run this program, I will get the count list as 2, and is repeating twice 2, again as is repeating twice 2, good is 1, and here like this you will get a count of each word from that particular list. So in another program I have given an explanation that using split function to get each word separately and converting this string to as list here. To avoid repeated word count, created a new list to get counted word in this list by add function here. Here I have used add function within this if function. So it's just checking that whether it contains already in list 3. If it's already in that list or exists there, then it will avoid to print that one. So in this way you get that count of each word in a string.